Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to convert these handwritten words into text on your Samsung Note using your S Pen. So say for example, you created a note on your Samsung S25 Ultra using the S Pen on Samsung Notes, and you've done it with handwriting. However, you want to convert this into text. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Notes app. Now here, go ahead and open up a new note. And let's just say, for example, you're handwriting everything here. So go ahead and handwrite it. Now here I've got about 7 words which I've handwritten, and I want to convert this into text written by a keyboard. So to do this, I need to first make sure I'm in handwriting mode, which is right here. Now I'll go ahead and swipe left until I see this option here, a pencil with a magic wand next to it. Tap on this. And now once you select that option, it'll basically detect all the handwritten text, and it'll give you this option here. It can align the handwriting or it can convert it to text. So we'll go ahead and tap on Convert to Text. And as you can see, it has detected the handwritten words and it has converted all into text. So there you go, guys. That is how to convert handwritten words into text on your Samsung Note using a Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.